I just wanted to offer a little bit of sound today. I have had humming moving through me, and I work with the bees and of course other animals. So humming bees and hummingbird. But the interesting understanding of this, or the magic and healing that it brings, the medicine, is that it rises up from within, that it's nourishment from Pachamama and light from the stellar heavens, celestial realms. And I feel like that they always work in union. The light from Pachamama, earth, her nourishment, and the stellar create union within, and then it either comes up for me, up and out of my body as sacred movement, or sound. And I feel that the last 3 or 4 days, while movement has wanted to rise and I've wanted to move, it's not that, it's the movement of sound coming up and out. So I wonder how you've been feeling, if you've been feeling your body in stillness and needing the rest and stillness. And even in stillness, we vibrate. Just like the hummingbird teaches, we still have this vibration. And it's powerful and it's sacred, and it's like we are cocooning it in that Lemurian cosmic egg where our light is wrapping around, and it's immersed in this light of just nourishment, right? The light of Pachamama within, and the stellar from the celestial realms of the Sophianic stars, and this beautiful our heart, right? And so there's that vibration. So for me, it's been coming up and out. There's a practice that I want to share soon, and it's working with a hexagonal shape. And you can vision journey with it, you can dream with it, you can meditate with it. You can use it for your space to create sacred space, or to open and set the space. It's for healing, magic, medicine, creation. Because to me, the hexagonal shape, which is the honeycomb shape, the 6 sides, holds divine masculine feminine union. And it is a doorway, it's a portal where things can move through, come in and move through into from other worlds. And it's always the higher realms to me. The number 6, of course, has that, as you may have heard me speak about before, the masculine triangular shape up for one point of the star, for those first 3 points, and then the chalice of the woman, right, down. So together they create union, and within is the creation. So when you trace on the outside, it's the hexagonal shape. Hexagonal shape also gives life to seeds and is the impetus, creating the forms of the flower of life, the seed of life and light. So yeah, I love this shape. It's very sacred, and I see Hathor a lot with it, and hear humming when I tune into it, and I even feel my lips vibrate when I begin to speak about it. But that is the medicine and magic of the hexagonal shape, because it is about the breath of life. And when we speak and blow our sacred breath onto things, saning them, which is cleansing, but also blowing our intention into something. It can be a lover's kiss, it can be into our cup that we're getting ready, whatever liquid we're getting ready to intake into our body. It's an exchange. It's a breath of life. It's really powerful and beyond what I'm going to say in this short video. But I'm going to play my bead drum for a moment, just to give a little bit of sound, sacred sound. And you can either close your eyes, you can hum, you can open your mouth and see what comes out, you can move. And I'd be curious to know how your dreams are flowing for you in this waxing moon. If you are feeling the uprising with the sound of voice, sound within, through intonation, intoning, or if it's through movement and dance that way. So blessings of love to you.